Hey folks, just a quick how-to on Mathletics and the best way to kind of use Mathletics. So I'm just looking here at one of the Mathletics lessons for Year 9 on substitution. So you'll get your question up here, then you'll have to give an answer down here. And once you're there, you hit submit. But on this right-hand side here, you can see a whole lot of boxes. Most important ones here is the I. So if you click on that, it's going to give you the lesson on how to do it. I know, it's fantastic, isn't it? So if you're not sure how to do a problem, you just need to press up on that I key there. So in other words, if D equals 3, evaluate 9D. All right, so here's the solution it's giving you. Hint, the variable is D. So 9D is the same as 9 times D, which is the same as 9 times 3, which would equal 27. So it doesn't let you kind of do anything in here, but it shows you how to do it. Once you finish that and you've read through that and gone, oh, I get that, simply click the X there. Okay, you've got some other functions down here. So most of you know your keypad. You can use your keypad on your actual computer. Okay, it takes a little bit of time here. This one here's a video on how to do it. Okay, so I can hit play and it will actually work me through each one of the examples.
So your teacher is trying to introduce you to algebra.
And so on and so forth. Okay, so that's a good little video one through there. All right, so if B equals 1, evaluate 5B. Well, the answer there would be 5, and I submit, and you guys know the rest of it. So I hope that is really helpful for you in getting through your Mathletics work. That's a really great resource that you can use while you are at home learning online, and it's great for us because we can see your progress there too. All right, so don't forget I is information on what the problem is. You've got a video there which will teach you how to do it, and if you're on a like a mobile device, you can use that touchpad there if you want to give your answers there. Okay, you can switch it either side if you're left or right-handed, or you can't see it.